Welcome to this month's edition of the Sounds from Scotland from the American Scottish Foundation. I'm Camilla Hellman, and I really love this coming few weeks as we are now coming to Tartan Week. And during Tartan Week, ASF has several events where we can feature and spotlight some leading Scottish musical talent that we enjoy working with so much. We will be joined in this episode by some of the performers from our supper club, which happens on Thursday, April the 4th, and from those that will be performing with us at Bryant Park for our pipes and drums on the Fountain Terrace on Friday, April 5th, Saturday, April 6th, prior to the parade, and April 7th, when we do a roundup as well. And so let's begin by hearing from the Laurettes, who joined us last year and was so full of energy and wonderful. And we're so glad that they're going to be returning and joining us at the supper club and also on the Sunday at Pipes and Drums on the Fountain Terrace. So onwards we go. Laurettes really are one of my favorite new bands. I think they've got such energy, and really looking forward to having them in the city next week. And now we hear from Ainsley Hamill. Ainsley in 2021 was a finalist for the Gaelic Musician of the Year, and then also for the BBC Trad Awards. She was a finalist in the Young Musician of the Year. And so try to catch up with her while she's here with us at either the Supper Club on April the 4th or on the Fountain Terrace prior to the parade, when she'll be performing with Noisemaker. Ainsley has an ever-growing, strong portfolio of work. And so let's hear a few numbers from her.
of matronly, awake and faded flowers from death. The king of flowers is here. For long you went, he braved your worst and claims of sun and snow to watch the velvet sauce that burst when daffodils grow. Where Narcissi broke the mold to herald in the spring, his lips their graceful beauty told, and so they made him king. Then hearts around his sons were full, the merciless come back around this heart of ours, the bonds of kinship two entwined. Be kind, yet your chance be lost. A welcome to impart, so he may know that southern frost near penetrates the heart. But as the sweet September skips, Narcissus bites the spring. So warm the southern welcome waits the daffodilic cave. You birds of matronly, awake and faded flowers from death, the king of flowers is here. For long winds he braved your worst and claims of sun and snow to watch the velvet sauce that burst when daffodils grow. To watch the velvet sauce that burst when daffodils grow.
Now, here is a huge voice. This is Jai McDowall. If you haven't heard Jai before, he was the winner of Britain's Got Talent in 2011. And his soaring voice is going to fill this Bryant Park on Friday, April the 5th, and also on Sunday, April the 7th, as well as singing at the Supper Club on April the 4th. It's the most wonderful, wonderful Scottish voice, and I hope you will enjoy these numbers from Jai.
My name's Jai.
Relax, you did it!
3 yeses through to the live finals.
Jai McDowall!
The winner of Britain's Got Talent 2011 is Jai McDowall!
How can you see into my eyes like spinning. No kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all me, and you give me all of you. Oh. How many times do I have to tell you? Even though you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around through every move. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can't stop singing, it's a ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Give me all of you. Cards on the table, we both showing heart. We're risking it all, though it's hard.
I, Jamie, take you, Claire, to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I, Claire, take you, Jamie, to be my lawfully wedded husband.
I'm delighted to pronounce you as man and wife.
'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect
You may kiss the bride.
Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you.
now let's finish off our programme with the great sounds of Scotland's premier ceilidh band, Whisky Kiss. They have been visiting us they've been coming over for Tartan Week now for many years, playing at Bryant Park, and this year they return on Sunday, April 7th. And so let's hear from Whisky Kiss.
Hi everyone, it's Larry from Whisky Kiss here. We're getting ready to play Edinburgh tonight, but we can't wait to be back with you in Bryant Park on April 7th and to be in New York for Tartan Week. It's always the best trip of the year and we can't wait to see you again. Cheers!
Hi everyone, this is Ian from Whisky Kiss here. We cannot wait to play at Bryant Park on the 7th of April for the American Scottish Foundation. It is one of our favourite places on earth, one of our favourite places in New York. What a place. And we adore performing for a New York audience. We're going to be playing this track that you're hearing at the moment. A wee bit of the story on it, our piper Kieran Ross during lockdown took a call from a guy called Hans Zimmer, who was putting together a soundtrack for a movie, and it turned out to be for the movie Dune with Zendaya and so on. And a few months later, it of course won the Academy Award for the best soundtrack. And so this is a tune that we play in honour of that. We hope you like it. So this is a tune written by Kieran Ross, our Oscar-winning piper. We'll see you to play it live in Bryant Park on the 7th of April. Cheers! We're so excited to be at Bryant Park playing for you all.
York City Tartan Week!
Thank you for joining us, and I hope this has given you a little bit of an insight into all that's coming up during Tartan Week for our programs at Bryant Park and at the Supper Club. Great musicians coming over to share their music with us, and this is just a taste of it. There are so many great bands, and on Saturday, April the 6th, which is Tartan Day and the parade, there are pipe bands joining us as well. So we hope to see you then. And until next time.